Disconnect the battery. Unbolt and remove the battery. Unbolt and remove the windshield washer reservoir tank to gain access to the compressor assembly. Disconnect the Airlines by first depressing the orange-colored Quick Connect locking rings while pulling simultaneously outward on the airline. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector. Unbolt the fasteners retaining the compressor onto the vehicle. Disconnect the junction box. Then, remove the assembly from its mounting location. Remove the old compressor from the black factory mounting bracket. Install the factory mounting bracket onto the new compressor assembly. You will need to reuse the original bolts and washer removed from the bracket. Make sure to install the factory bracket in the correct configuration. Using the plastic dryer plugs supplied with the new compressor, plug off the extra holes on the top of the air dryer. These push in like the airline. Four-wheel drive modules use 2 airlines, while two-wheel drive modules use only 1 airline. Install the new assembly. Fasten the assembly to the vehicle using the original mounting bolts. Reattach the junction box. Install the Airlines into the air dryer. The dryer contains self-locking collets. Make sure they are inserted all the way in to prevent leakage. Plug in the electrical connector. Reinstall the washer reservoir. Reinstall the battery.